Applied Digital Corporation had some big news that caught my eye, certainly, in recent days. And it's time we talk about that. So if you're not familiar with Applied Digital Corp, they design, build, operate next generation data centers, and they tout that they have HPC or high performance computing capabilities. They can handle cloud infrastructure, and they can handle AI industry needs for those looking for high outputs of power, especially. So you got my attention. Very interesting play. But the news that just came out was that Nvidia, which had been a bit of a backer prior, just disclosed that they now have over a 3% stake in Applied Digital, and this stake is worth roughly $65 to $70 million. So that has my attention, and it should have yours as well, as we know what Nvidia does and how successful they've been, and that Nvidia wants to dominate the space for data center chips, and especially high-end processing AI chips. So they have now taken a stake in one of our favorite small data center companies, and that's Applied Digital Corp. As we all know, the marketplace for data centers, especially with power contracts in place that can handle AI needs, this is just going to expand rapidly. So Applied Digital is right in the thick of it here. They've got a number of data centers that they own. They've got another one, a large one, under construction. I think there's a lot more to come here. So quite interesting news, and quite a few customers already, as they have Bitcoin miners, AI companies looking for that. Anyone that needs high performance computing in a cloud type environment, Applied Digital has it. So quite an interesting company. But let's take a little closer look at the fundamentals and see what we think. So with a tangible addressable market that was approximately $200 billion in 2023, that's expected to just about triple really in the next 6 to 8 years. So you're looking at a super big market or close to $600 billion in the tangible addressable market for data centers. So we know that the marketplace is ripe, and it's ready for companies like Applied Digital. And at $7.75 a share, current price, with a range of roughly between 2 and 10, it's not a bad place to start or an entry place to get going. Now, it's projected to have between a $9 and $12 stock price in the coming year. I think that's pretty conservative given the other things that we'll talk about. Market cap, about $1.8 billion. That's perfect to experience that millionaire maker explosive growth that we're all looking for. So that's a good thing. The stock performance, it's been good. It's up 20% year to date. And if you look at over the multi-year charts, great stock performance. Here's the interesting thing. This has revenue. This is not a concept company. Applied Digital's revenue is clocking in at about $190 million on an annualized basis at this point in time. And in the last quarter, when they recorded just weeks ago, they posted a 67% jump in revenue. That's huge. That is the kind of growth we're looking for. This is what gets us all excited. And when you contrast this, just a couple of years ago, their revenue clocked in at just about $8 million for an entire year. So you can see the fantastic growth in revenue. Stock performance is starting to show that. The addressable market is exploding. The balance sheet looks good. They've been able to do capital raises. Cash flow will come. Again, this is a build-out type of a business. The outlook looks really solid. There's a lot of growth coming in this. And when you see the confidence of someone like Nvidia that's coming in at an early stage and buying up shares, they want to have a future stake in this state-of-the-art company. And I think we do as well. I guess stepping back, this is an attractive entry point for Applied Digital. There's a lot of big things coming. I have a stake in it at this point in time. I'm continuing to grow that stake over the weeks, months, and I think years to come. And I'm looking for significant price appreciation in the coming quarters, in the coming years. This is going to be an exciting ride with Applied Digital, and just wanted to share the Nvidia taking a stake in the company news item in case you hadn't seen it yet. We'll talk again soon and provide another update on this as soon as it makes sense. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.